going to talk about what makes a decimal a decimal. Well, I have the first one. I have 70 hundredths, and I have 62 hundredths. Well, let's look at it. This is a whole. So if that's a whole, then if that's a whole, it takes 10 of these to fit into that. So it takes 10 of these to fit into one whole. When it takes 100 of these, it takes 100 of these to make one of these. So that's how we're going to make our decimals, and we're going to compare them. So I have 70 hundredths. How many are in the tens place? 7. So move 7 rods over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I don't have anything in the hundreds place, so I don't move anything over. But I have 7 tenths. Well, how many tenths do I have in the second one? 62 hundredths. Well, I have 6. I gotta move 6 over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 there. And then how many do I move over to the hundreds place? 2. 1, 2. We're looking at these two numbers. Which one has more in the tenths place? That's what I'm going to start off with. If it's more in the tenths place, the number's going to be bigger. Well, this one has 7, so it's going to be larger. Here's my next one. I have 24 hundredths and 46 hundredths. Well, how many rods did I move over for the first one? How many tenths do I need to move over? I need to move over 2. So move 1, 2. And then I have 4 hundredths, so I need 4 blocks over. 1. What? 2, 3, 4. Now I need to move how many over to this one? I need to move 4 tenths over. So 4 10 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I need 6 hundredths blocks. Because it's just going to take 6 of these to make 100. 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bentley. 4. Stop.
There is no more.
5, 6. So looking at this picture, which one has more in the tenths column? Well, this number does. 0.46, which is 46 hundredths, has more. The last one, I have 56 hundredths and 25 hundredths. So looking at this, I'm going to start with my tenths column. How many 10 rods do I need to move over? I need to move over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many hundredths do I move over? I need to move over 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now for my 25 hundredths, I move 2 rods over. 1, 2. Then I move over 5 hundredths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is mine. So when I'm comparing the two, I see I have more tenths here. So 56 hundredths is the larger number, the larger decimal. I'll show you how to do it if you don't have these. If you don't have the 10 rods and the hundredths, you don't have the cubes, what can you do? Well, you can create your own. You can draw your own. So I'm going to get my drawing tool out. And for this, I'm going to use an arrow, but I'm going to use a line, but you can just use your paper and you can just draw it. So I'm going to represent this for 10. So I need 7. 1, 2, whoops, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, y'all.
What, me?
It won't let me do it. 4.
Is Sophie the only one that needs this video?
5, 6, 7, and then I need hundredths. I need a little dot. I need one little box. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can draw that yourself. So I have 7 and I have 6. Now let's check over here. I need 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So which one has more? Which one has more in the tenths place? This one does. So 80 hundredths or 8 tenths is larger than 76 hundredths.